So, how are you doing? No, really, I mean it. Whenever we talk about these subjects, we want to remember that we're not in a vacuum. And when I say we don't really do the whole toxic positivity thing, it's because merit isn't just made when the sun's shining. Look at that, bald eagle. Gorgeous. But my point being that the sun isn't always going to shine. Sometimes it's just going to rain. You're not always going to be in the mood to do something fantastic. But the question is do you have the resilience to go through and do things when you don't feel like it? When you're making your merit, are you only doing it as an extension of how you're feeling? Or are you doing it out of a genuine desire to want to help? Bodhicitta isn't just made when you want to help, nor should it feel like you're having to sacrifice something to help. It should be something that comes as a consequence of what it is that you're feeling and hoping for. Granted, you can't exactly say that what the Buddha taught was to do all good things all the time. What he originally taught was the cessation of karma, not the good karma only. But we're in a time right now where there is so much wrong in the world that we need that good karma to come through for us to make things happen as it really should. We need more good to outweigh the bad that we're dealing with right now. We can get to the neutral stuff later. But I want to hear from you. How are you doing? What are you doing? And most importantly, how is that affecting the people around you? Whenever we talk about these kinds of things, we have to remember that's less of what goes around comes around, and more of the law of compounding. That's where 1 + 1 stops equaling 2. And 1 + 1 starts to equal 5, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Because we're not just dealing with our own lives. It's the consequences of our actions and the actions it inspires. Thanks for taking a moment with me. Have fun and take care as always. And don't be afraid to make the most out of the rain, just like you do with the sunshine.